This year, my dad and I weren't able to make it out to the Barrett Jackson Scottsdale Auction, but since auction week is kicking off, we wanted to share our experience from the 2025 show for anyone who's never been.
When you first walk in, you don't immediately see the auction cars. The entrance is filled with brand new vehicles from manufacturers like Ford and others. It really sets the tone for how big this event actually is.
Okay, so this is a 1962 Dodge Power Wagon that I had to get a little bit of video on. It is such a cool vehicle. It's got a 426 cubic inch Chrysler crate motor in it, and it is super badass.
This right here is my favorite of the show. This is a 1969 Boss 429, finished in Wimbledon white. This one is a very good example of extremely low mile, as it only has 219 original miles. We'll include a picture of all of this because it's got a very interesting story, but this one is my absolute favorite.
Okay, another one of my favorite cars, a 1969 Shelby GT500 convertible. Obviously, being GT500 means it's got the 428 Cobra Jet engine in it. This car color combination is excellent with the blue and the white interior. It's a gorgeous car.
We're not always sure what the access rules are year to year, but if you have the chance, it's worth at least sneaking a peek at the actual auction area. Even just walking past it or seeing it from the outside is pretty cool. This is honestly one of the coolest parts of the entire experience. Outside is where the cars line up just moments before they cross the block, and you get the chance to see them running and warming up and completely dialed in right before they go across the stage. It's one of the best ways to get a really close-up look at legendary cars, hearing them run and catching details you'd never notice from a distance.
Another part of the event that is so much fun are the thrill rides. Manufacturers like Ford, Dodge, Toyota, and others offer ride-alongs in their newest performance vehicles. And if you get the chance, you have to experience the Dodge one. Lots of drifting, lots of tire smoke, and just an absolute blast. We hope you enjoyed this look at our experience from the 2025 show. Even though we couldn't make it this year, we wanted to share what it's like for anyone who hasn't been. If you've been before, let us know your favorite part. And if you haven't, We hope this gives you an idea of what to expect. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.